How to send HD photos on Instagram. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. So open the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search for Instagram and check if you see an update button. If there's an update available, install it, because newer versions of Instagram include the HD photo feature and other quality improvements. Once your app is updated, open Instagram and go into the conversation where you want to send your photo. Now tap on the gallery or photo icon, just like you normally would when sending a picture. Before you actually select and send the image, look carefully at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small option labeled HD. Tap on that HD option first so Instagram knows you want to send the image in higher quality. After enabling it, select the photo or photos you want to send and then send them normally. Now your picture should appear much clearer and less compressed when the other person opens them. This is especially useful if you're sending travel photos, selfies, photography shots, wallpapers, or anything where image quality actually matters. So those are the steps to send HD photos on Instagram without losing quality on both iPhone and Android devices. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorial videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.